Alrighty, we're still in lockdown, which is really beginning to suck. Not beginning to suck, does suck. So I really need to test my big drone because I've entered the Hovergames competition and I haven't even been able to have a test flight of it yet. So today I just want to put it together, see if it actually gets off the ground, hovers a couple of feet. That's about it. So I found a spot. Looks lovely. Totally isolated. Hopefully no one will come along. Pretty sure no one will. It's not really a public place. So yeah, let's try and set it up and see how we go. Okay, so had a bit of trouble getting this helicopter going. So far, when I've got it, excitedly put it all together, tested it out, and could not get the accelerometers to calibrate, and so it turned out it was a faulty flight board. So they sent me another flight board, and that one was faulty too. So this is now the third flight board. However, it does seem to calibrate. So it's beeping at me. Alright, so let's just get on and give this a test. Okay, so we'll start off by calibrating.
But that environment wasn't writing a hype. So when I rhyme, I'm that much closer to enlightenment. Inhale, exhale, focus and listen. Mind open, eyes closed.
Ah, ready to give it a go.
Concentrate.
Let's see if it actually flies.
On some next level shit, and I'm feeling very zen. Breathe. My shit is like the hand with the finger pointed to the moon. My rhymes like Aquaman. You just gotta get yourself in tune. Let me unlock your psyche. Start by letting your thoughts pass, relax. Cause once you understand the sound of a one-hand clap, only then can you grasp the raps. I'm the takes it when you rhyme from a higher place. The lines that I write are designed to break your mind till you escape the confines. Find a state where you have space to make your mind dilate. Forget what you know and seek the answer. I speak wisdom like teachings of Bodhidharma. They use this music to get free of karma. Leave samsara and reach nirvana. Inhale, exhale, focus.
Worked. Actually worked. Let's have a bit of a fly out here as well.
Soaking the wisdom on some next level shit, and I'm feeling very zen.
Manual field switch engaged.
Very zen.
Disarm.
Zen.
Alright, so that's probably enough for today. Things to work on. We've got to build a better system of this because these just don't seem to lock at all. Having that strap does hold the battery, but it's sort of easy for it to move. It'd be better for something to hold it in place. We did bend one of the propellers, bent the propeller there. So I think I'll be ordering more propellers very soon in the future. Oh, we've got flight data. I forgot about that. So maybe that can help us. But overall, so that was the very first test flight. And the very first test flight was a success. That makes me happy.